On USDJPY, I got 515% growth with a drawdown of only 14%. I was using Quantitative Bull Forex Scalper EA, which is available on the MTL5 marketplace free of cost. And in this video, I will present you all the results and reports in detail. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back to TradingBotLab, and I'm your host Abdul. Let's move to my screen, and here you can see I am using Quantitative Bull Forex Scalper EA, which I have downloaded from the market. You can also download from the MTL5 market. The link is in the description, or you can search by its name. And I have done it on USDJPY on 5-minute time frame on the last 3 years of history. Yes, it's long enough to make a decision that if a report is good or not. And I was using everything based on Realtics with a deposit of $1,000 and the leverage. There are a lot of brokers offering this leverage. With this setting, I already have completed the optimization process, and here are the optimization results. Here the highest recovery factor I got is 7 and the profit is this, but the total number of trades are 173, which is not enough in the last 3 years. So I decided to choose this set file as the best set file because I already spent a lot of time analyzing all these testing results, and finally I choose this set file, this result, because here the recovery factor is 6.9, almost 7, and the drawdown is 13%. Here the total number of trades are 621 with a profit of $5,000, which is 515% growth on a $1,000 account. And if we calculate on monthly basis, which is 14% growth per month with a single pair, and this is an amazing. So simply I will right click on it and run single test. The testing is completed, and here you see how the graph is nicely going up, but there are a few points, like here it goes down for some time, and here for some time in range, again here for some time in range, then growing range, and then going up, and currently the EA is running in the range. Now let's analyze the reports more deeply, and here in the backtest tab you can see the deposit is $1,000 and the total net profit is $5,157 with a drawdown of 13.9%. Total number of trades are 621 here, and the win ratio, the most important factor, is 68.6% win rate. You can pause the video and read all other values if you want. And if I move down here, the other important thing is profit and losses by month. Here you see in the August this month and the November was closed in little losses. There was not good profit and not high losses, little losses like a break even, but all other months are performing very well. And here are the input settings. You can see all these set files and the results and reports are available to download on the TradingBotLab website for our VIP members. If you are not our VIP member, go to the register page and follow the instruction. If you face any problem, you can contact us on Telegram or on the email admin@tradingbotlab.com. For now, that's it. See you in the next video. Goodbye.